Hello everyone, welcome to my new Android tutorial. And today we are going to see how we can fetch a list of data uh, and show it in a recycler view. So basically recycler view is the most crucial thing and that we have to use in our many Android app application. So whenever you are fetching some data and showing it in a list, so we need a recycler view. So you need to have the clear concept about a recycler view. So today we are going to do this one. So start a new Android studio project and name it as recycler view demo, and select next next, then select empty activity and next, and give it name as it is, then finish. So it will opening the Gradle. It will take time to finish the Gradle actually. So you can see the Gradle is finished now. So you can start our recycler view project. Then first of all, to show a list in a recycler view, so we need to add some dependencies first of all. So here you can add the dependencies inside this build.gradle file, app level Gradle file. So you can see here you can add the dependencies like from file and then go to project structure, then app, then dependencies, then add plus icon, then library dependency. Here you can see one dependency that is supported design as well, and then you can use the we are using the card view layout, card view, and then we can use the recycler view. You can find recycler view, yeah, recycler view. Okay, and then and press the button. Okay, so you can see a red error is there. So how can remove it? You can just remove like just change it with the version of app compact. So you can just change the version with 26.1.1.0. Same for all, 26.1.0. So just see this app compact version, then change it with the expected version with all. So it will shrink the project. Whether a sync is finished now? No, not yet. So you can see the Gradle build is finished. So just start moving the to our main recycler view project. So first of all you need, here we are using our custom layout. So how the design will be, how the list will be. So first of all you need to design our custom layout here. So you can create the custom layout inside your resource folder under layout under resource folder. Then you can select the layout resource file and name it as custom layout, like any name you can give. Custom list, you can give custom list item. So select OK, and then so you can see here the consent layout is taken, but we are going to use our linear layout and make it as wrap content. And inside that we are using our, we are taking our cart view and make it as match wrap. Then you can, inside that we are using our relative layout. So relative layout can give the match width and height wrap. So here inside relative layout we are using, we have to design. So here we will take one image and two text view. So for that, take a image view here, make it as 100 dp width, and height should be 100 dp. You can make it 150 as well to make it bigger image. And so we are giving a padding to whole relative layout like 8 dp. So here we have the image and make it, give a padding 4 dp. You can give a 4 dp padding. Then you can use, you can give a id here, id like image. So our image is ready. Then we will use our text view. So here in this layout we will fetch we will show the Indian team player like in any list you can able to see. So there is a text view one is there, text view that is wrap, and you can give id here, that is id. You can put the name. Okay, so it will to the end of id image, right? So you can give a right of property, you can give, then id image. Okay, so you can give a margin left here 5 dp, and same you can copy here. You can give id here like give id like role here, and it will write up to the image as well as to the below to name. So you can see text here, it is name goes here, you can see, and you can see text role goes here. You can make it a little bit 120, you can make 120. Okay, so our basic layout is I think ready. So let's move on to the next one. So after that, when we created our custom layout, then we need to create a model class with related to the custom layout. So create a model class here, model class model, name it as model, and we have one image view and and two text view. So here we are defining int image and two text view, that is the string type, string name, string player name, and that is player role. Okay, put. So then we need to create a constructor here, generate constructor, select all, and then create a getter setter as well, getter and setter. Okay, so our modular class is ready. So the next one is that we need to create our recycler view adapter, so our custom adapter. So here we're going to use the adapter one. So just class and name it a class, that is custom adapter. Okay, and then just take a look here. So our custom adapter class will extends to the recycler view adapter. So inside the generics we need to pass here our adapter class name dot our view holder, that is the custom layout views, all the custom views will be hold initialized there. So name it as my view holder. So inside the braces create that class my view holder, and that will extend to the recycler view dot view holder. Again curly start and close. So you can see there is a error. So just first one, click on the bulb and you can see implement methods. So select all methods, and the second one just click or you can press alt enter here, create constructor. So the error is gone. So inside this class custom view holder, my view holder class, so here we will all initialize our custom layout. So inside that we have image view, in the custom layout image view, image, and that is text view, there is a text view, text view name, and the second one is the role. So we can initialize it here. So like image is equal to item view dot find view by id r dot id dot image, and the name item view dot find view by id r dot id dot name. The third one is the role. Item view dot find view by id dot role. So we are just initializes our custom layout to this Java class. So the next one here, in the adapter just create a list here. So in that list we are passing our model class model. You can see the my list, give a name and create a context here, and as well as create a constructor here for both, generate create constructor and select both. So you can see there is three methods, that is on create view holder, on bind view holder, and get item count. So get item count simply returns the list size, ilist dot size you can just return. So the here the second one is on create view holder. So here we are inflating our custom view. So you can, how you can do this, just create a class view and name it as view is equal to layout inflator, just call a layout inflator dot from, call the get the context here, parent dot get context, and we can use the inflate method here. So which layout we are going to inflate? R dot layout dot custom list item. So the second parameter is the parent and the third is the false, you can send. So we'll return here view holder type. So view holder, return new my view holder, and you can pass the view here. So that this method is done. So here in the bind on bind, here we will bind our all custom layout or custom views by its position. So just first of all we need to get the positions. To get the position, we can call our custom, we can call our model class model is equal to list dot get. Here you can pass the position. So in this model you can get the each item position. So just what we can do, holder dot holder dot name dot set text model dot get player name, and here holder dot role dot set text model dot get role get player role. So here we need to fetch our image as well. So how can do this? Holder dot image dot set image drawable, then you can pass the context here, context dot get resource. We'll put all the images in the resource folder, get drawable, and you can pass here the model dot get image. So in the resource, in the drawable folder, we need to put all the images that we are going to show in the recycler view list. So I have uh, player images here. So just you can download from the Google. So just copy these images and paste it in the drawable. Just paste it in the drawable section. Okay, so you can see there is a images here, all the images here. Just so our adapter class is ready. So we need to focus on the main activity. So before that we need to have the recycler view in the main XML file. So here just we can do relative layout, and here just need to take a recycler view here, recycler view, and with match height match, and give a ID here like recycler. So come to the main activity, and here you can just add our recycler view, you can put a name, and you need to use the list as well, list that will take the model, and you can pass the main list name it as main list, and you can call the recycler view dot adapter. So after that we need to initialize our list is equal to new array list, and then we need to initialize our recycler view is equal to find view by id r dot like recycler. Then we need to set a fixed size to the better UI, make it as true, and then we need to set the layout manager as well, set layout manager, pass new linear layout manager, and pass the this here. And after that we need to add item to our list. So how we can do this? Just call this list main list dot add. You can see we need to add all these uh, item here. We need to pass all the dummy data that we, we need to show in the list. So you can see the model, you can see just enlist dot add, and you can call the new model. So here you can see we have to use first one is the image, player name, and player role. So the first one is the image, r dot drawable dot, you can put the first one is the Virat, you can put, then the second one is the, you can pass the role, that is the name, so you can pass the Virat Kohli, and the third one is the role, that is you can pass batsman. In the string you need to pass, so batsman, you can see. So like so our in the list we have one item. So here we are going to use uh, 10, 11, any number of item you can put here. So just so you can pass the first in the image, you can see the drawable, the you can pass the Dhoni here, and pass Dhoni, wicket keeper, you can pass, and in the here you can pass Dinesh, and Dinesh here, and this one also a wicket keeper. So in the fourth one you can pass Hardik Pandya, pass bowler here, and the fifth one you can pass Jadeja. Ja, pass all rounder here, and the Rahane you can pass Rahane, and here you can pass the name Rahane, pass the batsman as well, the Reina, pass here the Reina, sorry, the Reina, batsman as well, the Rohit as well as batsman Rohit, and the Shikhar Dhawan as well as batsman. So we just adding some list here. So after that you need to set the adapter. So how you can do this? Recyclerview.set, simply call set adapter method here, and before that you need to initialize the adapter one. So adapter is equal to new, our adapter class name custom adapter, and you need to pass the list here, main list, and second one is the get application context, because this adapter class, you can see this adapter class will take this two parameter. So after that we just add the recycler view sort set adapter and pass the adapter class. So start running the application here. It will open, it will take a little bit time. So you can see the Gradle build is finished, and you can see the list of item here. You can see in the recycler view. You can see the list of item here. You can able to see the recycler view. So you can make the design more better. You can able to see the custom layout here. So you just make a margin here, margin 5 pp, then I see the difference. So here you can see a list of Indian player we have in the recycler view. So here you can see the image is quite a small size, that's why we are not getting the perfect size here. So the list is basically this type of, you can able to see here. So in the next part we will see how we can fetch data and show it, how we can fetch from the live URL from the using the web service. We can so most of the time you need to use the live URL. From that live URL you need to fetch the list and show it to the Recyclerview. So in the next part we'll see just how we can do. So we need to change here in this main activity only, because rest of the thing will be same. So in the next part we'll see how we can fetch data and show it in Recyclerview using web services, using the API. So thanks for watching this tutorial, and if you think that this video is helpful for you, then you can do subscribe, to comment, and to share. Thanks for watching.